बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। आज मैं बात करूंगा डेली यूज़ होने वाले उन सेंटेंसेस के मतलब जिनको आप पढ़ के इजीली इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं। तो चलते हैं अपने लेसन की तरफ। फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है हमारे पास गुड मॉर्निंग, सेकंड है गुड डे टू यू सर, थर्ड है ही इज़ स्टिल नॉट वेल, नंबर 4 विल डन कीप इट अप, नंबर 5 आई विल कॉल यू लेटर, नंबर 6 विल कैच यू सोन, नंबर 7 प्लीज़ गिव मी योर हैंड, नंबर 8 get out of my sight, number 9 did you understand, number 10 what do you mean, number 11 what are you talking about, number 12 could you stay away from my side, number 13 I am sorry, number 14 I am feeling tired today, number 15 it's none of your business, 16 I don't know, 17 we both like each other, 18 come quickly, 19 talk to you later, 20 thank you very much, 21 what is your problem, 22 can I ask you something, 23 I was nice meeting you, 24 how are you, 25 what is going on, 26 what are your likes and dislike, 27 sorry for inconvenience, 28 what can I do for you, 29 will you please help me, 30 this is not a joke, 31 stop kidding, 32 what is happening here, 33 everything is fine, 34 did you get more point, 35 what do you want from me, 36 how old are you, 37 where is your office, 38 get ready to go school, 39 I will try my level best, 40 are you joining us, 41 I am very pleased to meet you, 42 you are my responsibility, 43 this is not fair, 44 what are you doing to do, 45 please say something, 46 I will come again, 47 what would you like to have, 48 thank you for inviting us, 49 it's my pleasure, 50 thank you for the advice, 51 many happy returns of the day, 52 happy birthday, 53 please be seated, 55 I am on the way, 56 when will you reach, 57 nice to meet you, 58 is everything right, 59 hope to see you next time.